Hello student, welcome back to Maths with Neel Sir. Today we will going to solve a very important identity problem for both CBSE and ICSE. ये जो सवाल है ये ऑलरेडी CBSE 2023 और ICSE 2014 में पूछा गया था. So first of all, let's start with LHS. What is given in the LHS? Sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. So the first step is convert any trigonometric ratio into sin and cos whenever you will not get any path. जब भी कोई पाथ ना मिले तो ये टाइप का आइडेंटिटी सॉल्व करने का फास्ट मेथड है ये जो tan cot या फिर कोई भी रेशियो है ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल साइन कॉस छोड़ के उन सबको साइन कॉस में कन्वर्ट करो और साइन कॉस को एज इट इज रख दो. तो वैसे ही हम करने वाले हैं, देख लो. सो साइन थीटा प्लस cos थीटा रहेगा और tan थीटा बन जाएगा. वी ऑल नो दैट tan थीटा इक्वल्स टू sin थीटा बाय cos थीटा and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. It's very easy. Now what we will do, sin theta plus cos theta, we will keep it as it is. Now this one will get the LCM as sin theta into cos theta. So what will happen in the first term? Cos will be divided out and sin theta into sin theta gives sin square theta. In the same way, sin will be divided out and cos theta into cos theta will become cos square theta. Now we already got the solution. How? Let's see. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know that the value of this identity is 1. When we write this in bracket, you should mention since sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Now what we will do? We will just multiply these two terms. What we will get in multiply? We will get sin theta plus cos theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. You can skip this step and directly move to the next step. What I will do in the next slide. So what we can do? We can divide it. Means this divided by this one and this divided by this one, just like a butterfly. What is the formula we are using here? Suppose a plus b divided by c. It will be a by c plus b by c. So same thing will apply there. Sin theta by sin theta into cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now sin theta will be divided out and cos theta will also be divided out. We can remove this. So what we will get? 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. We all know that the value of 1 by cos theta is sec theta and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, and which is given in the RHS side as well. So here we will write RHS equals to sec theta plus cosec theta. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS proved. ऐसे ही ढेर सारे मैथ बहुत ही आसान तरीके से सीखने के लिए जुड़े रहिए मैथ्स विद नील सर के साथ. थैंक यू.